Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today I'm back with an update for the Crawlomatic plugin, and starting from today you will be able to make it even more powerful. So yeah, updates are coming, and these are all based on your suggestions. So if you also have a suggestion, leave it down in the comments of the video. Also, you will find Crawlomatic in the plugins in this video's description, so go ahead and check it. So today's update for Crawlomatic is Regex parsing and replacing. So you know that Regex was supported in the plugin, and you can run Regex on content even in the older plugin versions of Crawlomatic. But today you will get a new feature which will bring the Regex running also on the raw HTML content of the scraped pages. So yes, you heard this right. The new feature will bring raw HTML Regex. So this was not possible. Regex could be run until now only on the content that was going to be added to the new post. So the plugin got the HTML structure of the page, it parsed it, it extracted the parts that you wanted it to extract, and afterwards it ran this Regex to match, remove, replace anything that you wish from the content. However, using this little new checkbox that I added now round above Regex on the raw HTML content, so you will be able to run the Regex on the raw content. So this is a very powerful feature, and after you will do this, you will get the Regex run directly on the raw HTML content which was scraped, and you will be able to remove, to replace, and to modify anything from that HTML. So let me show you an example of this. Let's scrape TechCrunch, for example. So let me set up a quick scraping rule for TechCrunch. For this, let me set up this real quick. So check the do not scrape seed URL to not scrape also the contents of TechCrunch, only to get links from it. Click visual selector and select a post here. You can select any post and go to content query type, select visual selector, and now a post will open up here. Click it and the article content is fully populated. Now let's check our site. It's empty. Now let's run importing, and we will see that the plugin will scrape a post from TechCrunch. So is Silicon Valley loses its crown, and this is now scraped. So here it is. So for example, we can also replace with this new feature that we can run regexes on scraped content. If we have, for example, added in the post content an image which is a smaller size, and on the source page you have images. Let me show you. Open image in a new tab, and this is, for example, a smaller image, and on the source page, if you have, for example, if you can add like this 8,000 times 6,000, and this will get you a large image, then you will be able to run the Regex directly on the content and to replace also the structure of the URL of the image, for example, and the plugin will scrape the larger image automatically. Also, if you have links, if you have anything else that you want, you can do it with this new feature. So for this new feature to be active, don't forget to check the run above Regex on raw HTML content checkbox and add your Regex expression here and the replacement for it in the replace matches from Regex content settings field here. I have a nice Regexer page. This is a page where you will be able to also build your regexes. It is loading a bit slow now, however I think it will actually load. So here it is, it eventually loaded. you can write your regex expression here, you can add the text here and see what matches from the below text. So this is very interesting and cool feature. So for example, let me go ahead and replace something basic, for example Silicon Valley. Yeah, this should be okay to replace. So Silicon Valley with CodeRevolution. This is now run directly on the HTML content, and this is replaced directly in the HTML code. So it seems that the CodeRevolution really losing its crown. So yeah, the URL also was changed. This is why I got the 404. And as you can see, the content and title, everything is changed now. So if we check, CodeRevolution is between also the title, the tags that will be extracted from this page, the categories, the images, everything that matches your regex will be replaced, not just the plain content. Because if we uncheck this, let me show you also this. So let's uncheck the new checkbox that we got. The title will remain with the Silicon Valley part. So let's run scraping once again. And if we refresh our page, is Silicon Valley really losing its crown? Because the title was extracted separately from the full HTML content, which now is not parsed by the regex. Only the content which is extracted will be parsed now by regex, because we unchecked the new checkbox that I created. Okay, so I hope this explanation was good for you and you understood this new feature. And until next time, leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section of this video. Subscribe, share, like, it is really appreciated. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.